Here it is. Everything that I brought with me on my 5-day vacation to Florida. But you can wear this stuff anywhere kind of hot or beachy. Obviously, this right here does not include toiletries, but I will show you a few of the toiletries that I brought. All right, let's dig in. So, I brought one hoodie, one jacket. Those are kind of the only like cooler weather things that I brought. I tend to get super cold at night, and in any kind of air conditioning, I'm just cold all the time. So I usually will bring something that will warm me up. This is what I wore on the airplane. I just wore some comfy sweats and my bulkier items so that I didn't have to pack them in my suitcase. And my favorite Nike Blazer sneakers that you can wear with pretty much anything. I only brought a carry-on. Shocking, I know. So I'll just show you guys everything else. I'm gonna try on a few things, but not everything, just to kind of give you an idea of outfits and everything that I brought. This is outfit number 1, airplane outfit, casual, warmer. So I brought 2 dresses. This is dress number 1. It is by Faithful the brand. It's super flattering, really comfortable. It has an open back and I don't have to wear a bra with it, which I love in the summer. And you can dress it up or down. Right now I'm wearing flip-flops. You could also wear sneakers or these lace-ups. So in terms of shoes, I brought 3 pairs of shoes. So yeah, this is easy to throw on over a bathing suit or just for dinner or lunch or whatever. The other dress that I brought is a black one. It's super old. It's from Aritzia. It's kind of just like a tank mid-length dress. And I wear it all the time. I've worn it for like 10 years. Andrew makes so much fun of me. It's a good cover-up. It's good if you get a little bit cooler in the evenings. It's a bit of a longer dress. So 2 dresses. Also, by the way, I will have this entire packing list typed out in list form on the blog. Just check out the description box for a link to that. So you guys can have it for any kind of like 3 to 6 day warmer vacation or trip. Also just wanted to note, I brought 1 jacket, and this can go over the dress as well. Can go over both dresses. Then I brought a few t-shirts. This one right here is Aritzia, and I brought 1 pair of jean shorts. I think I brought 2 just white t-shirts just to wear with jeans or jean shorts. And then you can wear them with sneakers or the kind of lace-up sandals that I have. And I brought this silk camisole just in case we went out for a bit of a nicer dinner. And you can wear them with jeans or jean shorts. Very cute. This one is from Aritzia. Shocking. Absolutely shocking. Just mad. I brought 2 bikinis, both Bando. This is by Miko. Actually, both of them are by Miko. It's my favorite swimwear brand just because it fits me so well and it's really comfortable. And then this kind of long shirt I actually wear as a cover-up at the pool. This is by Community, which is an Aritzia brand, and it's called the Veritas shirt. This is probably my most worn thing on vacation because I wear it every day to the pool or the beach. And you can easily throw it on with jean shorts or jeans. It's really cute. It's like a classic cover-up. And I also brought 2 pairs of sunglasses. This is my pair of Celine's. They're quite big, so they cover a lot of my face. I don't like tanning my face when I'm on vacation. These are Celine's, the Marta style in brown. Oh, and I can't forget my hat. I also bring this Janessa Leone straw hat on vacation. I wear it every day at the beach or the pool just to protect my face from the sun. I tend to tan my body, but I use self-tanner on my face. Vita Liberata is my favorite brand. I've worked with them a ton. Anyone who follows me will know that I love them. So I will wear my hat on the plane so that it doesn't get smushed. and just pack everything else in my carry-on. Beach ready. If only it wasn't like 0 degrees out. Great. Okay, so just as a quick overview, 1 pair of sweatpants, like for the evening and for the plane, 1 pair of jeans, 1 camisole, 1 pair of jean shorts, 2 white t-shirts. This is one, this is another t-shirt, 1 linen blouse, which is used for cover up and then to wear with jeans or jean shorts, 2 dresses. This is dress number 1. It's short, very flirty. 1 black dress, boring, very necessary, easy to wear. It's got an elastic here. It's very flattering, in my opinion. This is incredibly old Aritzia, like 10 years old. 1 jacket, and this is just in case I get cold. Wear on the plane. I always get cold, no matter where I am. Aritzia hoodie. Janessa Leone hat. For shoes, I bring 3 pairs. Flip-flops. These are Nike Blazer runners. And lace-up sandals. These ones are from Madewell. 2 bikinis. These are Miko. 2 pairs of sunglasses, Celine Marta, and my Ray-Ban Classic Round. I bring my straightener and my curling iron. There's my suitcase, my carry-on suitcase, and then this is my bag that I take on the airplane, and I have my laptop and any books and important stuff in there. So all in all, it's really not that much stuff. Also, sorry, I took 2 purses with me. This is my vintage Chanel, and this is an extremely cute woven bag. This is from a Vancouver brand called Folk Fortune. Super cute. I love this for summer. A packing tip is just to pack all your small stuff like underwear or bikinis or any t-shirts in your purses and then put those in your suitcase. Obviously, I'm excluding intimates, underwear and bras and socks, because you guys are more than able to do that yourselves. But I will just show you really quickly some of my toiletries. On a daily basis, I would wear these 4 products. So I would put sunscreen on, my Jane Iredale powder foundation, just super lightly, a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and then this cheek color with the bronzy on it. I'm not going to show you any of my other products just because they're super basic. Like I bring my little travel sized hairspray but honestly on vacation I don't really do that much. I just kind of like to throw my hair in a ponytail or just put it in a hat. So that is it. That is everything that I bring. Oh, if you want to work out, bring your workout stuff. I did bring like a pair of shorts and a t-shirt and my sneakers, but I only worked out once because I actually got sick. But that's another thing that you could bring. In case you missed it, I will have a list of everything that I brought over on my blog. So in the description box, there will be a link. And if you guys want me to make it downloadable, let me know. I don't even know if I know how to do that, but I can figure it out. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!